Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Panama City, Panama, and I'm at the grocery store. And I thought I'd walk through the grocery store. I'm waiting on a prescription, and so I figured I might as well film the grocery store for you so you can see what the prices are. I've checked here, the money is even money, so it's exactly the same as American. So it's like straight across. So if it says $2.99, even though it's not in American money, it's still even money. So whatever that means. So like if this coffee pot's $18.99 over here, then it's really $18.99 in American dollars too. Let's go take a look. Here we go. And I don't know how they'll feel about filming and stuff, so as always we'll try to be cool. We can look at Kotex and stuff, but so this is $4.99, so it's $4.99 American dollars, $8.99 American dollars, $4.19. Diapers are $29.99, and so there's a lot of. It's a big grocery store, and so I don't even know where to start here for you guys. I guess we don't need to go down the Kotex aisle like 45 times, but I'm trying to find the rows that have things that might be worth seeing for you. Oop. So here's water and stuff. So let's see if we can find Coke. Okay, here's Coke. So this is like 2.5 liters, $2.59. See that? And here's a small one, a 1 liter. Yeah, 1 liter is $1.65. Oh, beer's on this side. Cool. Perfect. So let's see, do they even have Bud Light? They don't have Bud Light, but they've got Budweiser, and I think it's $1.12 each, if I understand things right. So I'll probably just walk and let you look. So like here's Corona for $1.12 each, so that'd be like $7 for a 6-pack. So, and that's not too bad. And here's Coors, but there's no price on those. These are $1.30 for the little bottles. Blue Moon, Heineken. Now this one's different. This one's $5.69 for the 6-pack, $1.12 each. Whoops. Let me get my camera up so I can make sure I'm showing you the right prices. Let's see, what else? Anything else here that might be interesting? And they have Panama Light and Panama Lager, and I guess that's the cheapest beer. So this is $4.92 for a 6-pack, so that's 82 cents each. So that's not too bad, but I'll keep going down this route. So if you want some salsa, $5.09. Here's Doritos. A small bag of Doritos is $1.49. Doritos are on sale for the little bit bigger bag, and that's $3.24. Oh. And there's wines and stuff on this side. You know, these are very comparable to American. Here's cans of Pringles for $1.95 each, unless you get the, and I've never seen party packs before. Have you ever seen a party pack? They don't even fit on the shelf. They have to go up on top. That's amazing. The little ones are $1.39. You might as well buy the standard one. $4.39. Now those are much more expensive. $4.39 for a bag of puffs. What else they got here? Here's pork rinds, $4.35. Pretzels, $3.75. I love pretzels. I wish they had sunflower seeds. They have peanuts, but no, nothing else. They have lots of nuts, but okay. Well, here's the heavy stuff. So Absolute $16.99. That's a big bottle, and that's $23.49. Let's see, what else is there? Bacardi $10.49. Wow. So Patron here is $63.99, $32.49. Huh. And these just look like regular wine, right? I don't know their names or how they say them. 611, 611. 2 for the price of 1. Huh. Let's go to a different aisle. Let's go this way. There's nobody on this aisle. So juices. Oh, now Treetop is $4.49. Mott is $3.39. That's kind of expensive. Welch's Grape is $5.39. Bowl and Basket apple juice $3.69. How about a cake? I don't ever do cake very often. So these are brownies, walnut brownies for $4.45. So no, some of these prices are pretty expensive actually. In my mind, I haven't shopped America a lot lately, but like cranberries $2.99. That's not too bad. Raisins. Big box of raisins is $4.59. Smaller box is $3.29. The little tiny ones you stick in your kids' lunches, $3.15. Their brand is $2.49. What else? Okay, so pineapples $2.59. $2.59, $1.59, 99 cents. I don't see a lot in the way of name brand stuff on a lot of their fruits anyway. So, and they don't, do they have, no, these are just different juices. Let's go down this way. Nestle Quick, $4.39. Sorry. Tea is $2.05 for a little tiny box. And here's their milk. $1.35, $1.35, $1.19. Huh. I'm not a real big fan of warm milk. I want it pasteurized and cold, not hot and icky. Now these are expensive. $9.75 if you're going to get that. Starbucks is $9.75 for even smaller. Flowers. You know, I've never seen anything like this before. This is kind of cute. It looks like they glued some salsa or something to the bags themselves, or taped them to the bags themselves. You see it this way? It's kind of interesting. You might as well get some salsa and some chips. Oh, grape jelly, $3.99, $4.99, $2.60, $2.99, $4.05, $6.04 for raspberry. Here's Bimbo bread, $2.75, $1.95, $1.65. Huh. Let's go this way. Cereal. Trix marshmallows, $4.50. Lucky Charms. Oh, Lucky Charms chocolate. Now that's interesting. Never seen that before. Fruit Loops, their kind. Oh, here's Frosted Flakes, $4.09 on sale. Usually $4.79. That's kind of expensive. Huh. And if you want other brands, there's Corn Flakes and all sorts of different things. So here's Captain Crunch, $2.85 for a little itty bitty tiny box. My hand covers that. And then Lucky Charms is $4.50. Huh. Olives are cheap, $1.69, $1.75, $2.39. $102. They got a lot of olives. Okay, here's pickles. Pickles can be kind of crazy. Baby dills, that's cool. $3.99. That's about normal these days. Huh. Spices. Cheesy tacos, $1.35. Mild tacos, $1.35.